So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your age on YouTube from any phone that you have, so that you will not get the age restriction issue again and again. Now in order to fix that, simply open the YouTube application on any phone that you have and go to your profile on the below right corner of the screen, and here you'll see this option of Google account right there. Simply click on Google account and let's it get load, and here you need to click on the option of personal info right there. And now once you are in the personal info settings, click on the option of birthday, click over there, and from here you can adjust your birthday, and you can adjust it so that your age will set according to the birthday that you set on the Gmail. So once you do that, once you're satisfied with your changes, again hit back and you will easily change the age on your YouTube. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.